In this video tutorial, we will show you how to make PowerPoint slides advance automatically. Launch PowerPoint. Open the previously prepared presentation file. Click on the Transitions tab and select the first slide. Find the Advanced Slides section and uncheck the On Mouse Click checkbox. Put a tick in the After checkbox and set the time of the input box. If all files are to be advanced in equal periods of time, click the Apply for All Slides tool button. You can also set the individual time for each slide by changing the After Time preset for each of them. Click on the Slideshow tab and press the From Beginning tool button to check the result. Press any key on the keyboard or mouse to exit a slideshow. Leave comments and send your questions to our email. This was a HowTech TV tutorial. Thank you for watching.